Did you know the biggest misconception today is that if you have your scheduled maintenance done anywhere besides the dealership, that it would void your warranty? It is totally not true. So we have certified mechanics that do maintenance on most vehicles and trucks. If it's your warranty you're worried about, you can rest assured that our certified mechanics will keep your warranty intact with the dealership. As you can see in this video of a dealership, supply for vehicles is still a struggle. So it's really important to keep the current vehicle you have maintained for value, dependability, and resale value. And the best part is, we do it at a fraction of the cost. I'm Jeff with Castro Valley Tire Pros. Check us out at CastroValleyTirePros.com or Lilly'sClassicCarGarage.com and come and see us for all your scheduled maintenance needs.